Hello, gorgeous. So today we're going to be talking about how to use the law of attraction. So I know that everyone that comes to the law of attraction is looking to use it to manifest one thing or another. And I want to share with you a slightly different perspective of how my journey ended up unfolding and how I use the law of attraction. So I discovered the law of attraction at 24, but didn't actually start using it until I was 25 years old. Very intentionally, very consciously. And my only goal was to improve my life and to feel good and to live in divine alignment, even though I didn't really quite understand fully what that meant. And over the years, my understanding of it, my use of it has evolved and evolved and deepened. And as I approach my 40th birthday now in the next few months, I've been using it now for almost 15 years. So the only purpose of the law of attraction in my life is to keep me divinely aligned to my soul purpose and to my life purpose. So this means that I'm not trying to use the law of attraction to manifest a car, to manifest the dream guy, to manifest anything. I'm just trying to feel good. And knowing this, that's the ultimate goal, has helped me manifest the soulmate of my dreams, the children of my dreams, help my children overcome obstacles, lost 70 pounds, overcome my autoimmune disease, manifest millions of dollars, my dream home, my dream car, my dream handbags, my dream shoes. I've got my shoes lying around here everywhere. So the manifestation is a symptom of you living in divine alignment. But most people when they come to the law of attraction, they're trying to bypass the actual point of it, which is to remove resistance from your life. So you're in resistance anytime you're trying to go against your divine soul plan, anytime you're trying to force things to move in a direction that you were not created to move in. So I believe that every single person on this planet has a divine plan and a divine goal that their soul decided on before they came here. So anytime we're trying to go here and our soul plans on going here, this is what we're designed for, there's going to be resistance. And so the resistance is there, the feelings of not feeling right, not feeling good, are just designed to help you get back aligned to where you're supposed to be going. So that's the way that I use the law of attraction, is to help me stay on course, stay in my lane, stay in my divinely designed plan. And this is why all of the symptoms of being divinely aligned, which is to get what you desire, come forth with ease, not because I'm trying to hack this law of attraction to get the thing that I want, but because the whole purpose of the law of attraction is to help me stay in God's plan, to stay in divine alignment. So this means that anything that is not meant for me, I'm not going to feel good doing it, and I'm not going to do it. So let me give you an example of this. A lot of people that struggle with the law of attraction, or I should say most of the people that I've seen struggle most with the law of attraction, is because they're social activists in a lot of things, or in things that they're not designed to do. So if you look at some of the famous people in history, you can see that their bliss came from the thing that they were doing because they were divinely designed to do that thing. For example, would you imagine Mother Teresa having lived any other life, or Martin Luther King having done anything other than what he was designed to do, or Mahatma Gandhi being not Mahatma Gandhi, right? He was designed to do that because it lit him up. So I do not do any sort of social activism that isn't coming from a place of love. So even if someone comes to me and says, Mina, the whales are dying, or the rainforests are being cut up, if my thought is, oh, I love the rainforest and saving them will just light me up and I will feel so high vibration while I'm saving the rainforest, I will go ahead and save the rainforest. But if my thought is, oh, the poor rainforest, and if the rainforests are gone, then this will happen, and then this will happen, and then this will happen, and then we will all die, that is not a high vibration thought. Therefore, I'm not meant to save the rainforest. I can do my part and reduce waste and donate to the places that are doing something really concrete in high vibration ways to save the rainforest. But I know that me going out there and marching and protesting and doing all of that will be coming from a place of fear and not from a place of love. So I'm not going to participate in that thing. Okay. And so this is one of those things in my life that is a non-negotiable. If I am really passionate about something, but it doesn't light me up to actually go and physically engage in it, I will find the right people that are lit up from doing the thing, and I will cash roll them. I will donate to them, and I'll make sure that they are taken care for so that they can go do the thing. But if that thing doesn't bring me any joy, I will trust that God has designed a team of people that are meant to go out there and be the activists for the whales and for the lions and for the rainforest. And I will trust that God has a plan. Because at the end of the day, everything in the planet, everything in our world has a way of balancing itself out. And I really, really trust in divine alignment and God's abundance. And I know that there are people that are designed for everything, and I don't have to be involved in the things that are not to my highest good. So how does this help? This helps because then I can save my vibration and my energy for the things that I was designed for. And that is staying in my zone of genius. So the things that light me up, that's where I stay engaged. And because these things are lighting me up, they're my soul path, I enjoy doing them, I'm really good at them. And then the people that need my help in that thing, I'm best able to serve them. So trying to save the entire planet, everyone trying to save the entire planet, it's too many cooks in the pot. We're all not designed to be in that way. Okay? You need to figure out what lights you up and put your zone of genius in that thing. And that's how I've used the law of attraction to really make sure that I'm staying in alignment with what God has in store for me and in plan for me. So if you want to learn more about my expert law of attraction secrets and also raise your vibration through my 3-day challenge, then join me on theuniverseguru.com. I have an email list and a free 3-day challenge that's happening right now. And it's an ongoing thing, so you can join at any point. And you get my expert behind the scenes secrets and tips and how I actually live in alignment in my life to manifest my divinely aligned, blissful existence here on this planet. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.